Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the grade 4 through 5 math FSA types of questions. As I've mentioned before, the content is not what we're focusing on. The content really may not apply to 4th or 5th grade, but the type of questions will. If you're a 4th or 5th grade student taking the Math Florida Standards Assessment, there are 7 types of questions that you will see on the math test. This video is focusing on the 6th type of question, which is called a selectable text item. And so what that means, or what you want to do, is the answer choices appear in columns or answer choice boxes. And so let's take a look at an example so that you can see what I mean by that. So the question number 1 says, David multiplies each original number by 10 to create a new number. So you got to make sense. You got to understand what they're saying there. David multiplies each number by 10 to create a new number. Then it says fill in the bubbles to select the original numbers in the chart that were multiplied by 10 to create the new number. And so this is the original number that they're telling us right here, 50. And if I multiply that by 10, which is what they're saying, David multiplies each original number by 10 to create this new number over here. So if I do 50 times 10, does it give me 500? In this case, it does, right? So I want to make sure I bubble that in. Then I go to the next row. 200 times 10, does it get me to the number 20? Well, that would not be the case, so I don't bubble in B. Then I try the next one. 3 times 10, does it lead me to the new number of 3,000? And again, that would be no. And then I go to the last one, which is 4,000 times 10. Does that lead me to the new number of 40,000, which in this case would be true, so I bubble that in. So now keep in mind, I put all these arrows there just to kind of help you visually see what I'm doing, but that's a little too close for my comfort if you ask me. You don't want to put any markings near the bubble, because if you get too close, when it's graded, it can accidentally be counted as one of your answer choices. So just keep in mind what you're doing is just looking at the original number and just looking across to see if it's creating the new number, or if we can see if that statement or the sentence here is true. Okay? So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q.